Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have a plus b equals to 12 and ab equals to 22, and we solve this problem for the values of a and b. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2, and now in order to find the values of a and b, here we need to solve these two equations. So here first we focus on equation number 1. So from equation number 1 we move this b to the we move this a to the right hand side, and it is written as b equals to a b equals to 12 minus a, and we call this is our equation number 3. And now we substitute this value of b in equation number 2, so that our equation number 2 is implies that ab equals to 22, so our a into the value of b is 12 minus a equals to 22. And now because we solve this problem for the values of a and b, so here we multiply this a on both of these terms, and it is written as 12a minus a square equals to 22. And now we rearrange the terms and we move all the terms from left hand side to the right hand side, and it is written as a square minus 12a plus 22 equals to 0. So now here we need to solve this quadratic equation, so that we solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. Okay, so if we use the quadratic formula, here first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A equals to 1, capital B equals to minus 12, and capital C equals to 22. And we know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute the values of a, b and c here. So we have this is minus b, and the value of minus b is minus 12, and plus minus square root of b square, so b is minus 12 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 22, and this whole is divided by 2 times of a, and the value of a is 1. So in the next step here we need some simplifications here, and we have this is minus times of minus becomes plus 12, and plus minus square root of minus 12 square equals to 144, and this is 4 times of 22 equals to 88, and this is divided by 2. So when we subtract 144 minus 88, then we get here 12 plus minus square root of 56, and it is divided by 2. So here we need more simplification. So now here we break this 56, and we write this 56 as 12 plus minus 14 times of 4, and it is divided by 2. So we know that 14 times of 4 becomes 56. So this is written as 12 plus minus we know that square root of 4 is 2 into square root of 14, and it is divided by 2. So here we break this fraction, and we write it as 12 over 2 plus minus 2 into square root of 14 divided by 2. So here you cancel these terms, so 2 6 are 12, this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and finally we get the two values of a are 6 plus minus square root of 14. So these are the two real values of a, and now from these two real values we find the corresponding values of b. So now here we use these two values of a, and we get the values of b. So here first we write separately these values. So here we write the positive value, it is 6 plus square root of 14, and here we write the negative value, it is 6 minus square root of 14. And here we substitute these two values in our equation number 3, and our equation number 3 is we write it here b equals to 12 minus a, so that we substitute these values of a in equation number 3. So that our equation 3 is b equals to 12 minus a, and now we substitute both of above values of a here. So when first we substitute this value here, then you get b equals to this is 12 minus a, and the value of a is 6 plus square root of 14. So here we need some simplifications, and we write it as 12 minus 6 minus square root of 14. We multiply this minus on both of these terms. So 12 minus 6 is 6 minus square root of 14. So this is the first real value of b, corresponding to the value of a is 6 plus square root of 14. And now similarly we substitute this value of a here, and it is written as b equals to 12 minus a, and the value of a is 6 minus square root of 14. So now we multiply this minus on both of these terms, and it is written as 12 minus 6 and plus square root of 14. So here we need simplifications, and we write this 12 minus 6 becomes 6 plus square root of 14. So this is the value of b corresponding to this value of a. So that finally we have two solutions of the given equation. So the first solution is ab equals to the value of a is 6 plus square root of 14, and the value of b is 6 minus square root of 14. And similarly the second solution is ab equals to, so here you have the value of a is 6 minus square root of 14, and the value of b is 6 plus square root of 14. So these are the two final solution of the given equation. And now in the next step we verify these solutions. Is these two solutions satisfied our given question statement or not? So now we just verify here our first solution, and we left the second solution for up to you, and you can verify the second solution by yourself. So here we write the given equations. So the first given equation is a plus b equals to 12, and the second equation is ab equals to 22. So now we substitute these two values of a and b here, and now first we put these value of a here, and it is 6 plus square root of 14, and plus b is 6 minus square root of 14 equals to 12. So this negative and positive value are cancelled by each other, and you get here 6 plus 6 is 12 equals to 12. So this shows that the value of AB satisfied the first equation. And now we check from second equation. So here you have the value of A is 6 plus square root of 14. The value of B is 6 minus square root of 14 equals to 22. And here you see that it is a plus b into a minus b, and we write it as 6 square minus square root of 14 and its whole square equals to 22. And here you see that 6 square is 36, and these 2 and square root are gone, and we get 14 equals to 22. So 36 minus 14 is 22 equals to 22. So this also shows that the first solution is satisfied the second equation. Similarly, you check the second solution, and this shows that the first solution is satisfied given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.